Alright guys, so check this out. Look what just joined my collection. This is the Motion RC, Freewing, MiG 29 Fulcrum Twin 80. Just finished putting in my receiver. This is the ordnance. The landing gear light. And check this out. Okay, so I have her on her belly really quick. So this is the underside. And okay, my apologies. I had to switch the position of her again because she's so big and heavy. I had to get a stand down here real quick so I can get her on her belly, because I want to show you her very robust landing gear. And that's Motion RC sequenced landing, and of course the flap system, takeoff flaps, landing flaps with a little bit of elevator mix. And this is the undercarriage of this particular plane. Give it one. Let's do this and get the gears out this time. Alright, so the maiden of this plane will be this weekend. Can't wait to get it in the air. Soon to come. More to come soon.